Hi, I'm Sarah. I was just getting ready to link up some of my bank accounts to the company. From a banking standpoint, how do we have that set up? So I will show you. New markers. Note to self, be prepared. My goodness. Now that I've wrestled and gotten this marker out, we're going to pray that it works. And I am going to pull down my whiteboard and do a little doodle. Okay, I'm going to do our best here. We have 3 houses, let's say, and each one has its own bank account. That way, when it shows up on the transactions in Stessa, it's already auto-linked to that property. Rents come in, and then expenses. We have our PM company, and these 3 pay fees to the company. From a banking standpoint, how do we have that set up, right? So that's what we're going to go over. I need to get a better eraser. Now, I have cash management accounts in Stessa, but what I'm going to focus on today is the external bank account through, we'll say just bank. Bank 1, 2, and 3 account. There. Then you have the property management company over here. So these 3 need to send money as payment to the property manager, and the property manager needs to be able to pull money from certain accounts that are designated for the property manager. This is where I take these and I link them to the property management company. And I do that through the bank itself. Terrible erasing. Now that we have that, we have account 1, 2, 3. I got tired of writing account. And PM. So I have one login, this login for the property management company through the bank. When this PM company logs in, is it 2 G's? Anyways, they can see these accounts. So we have the property manager account and each individual bank account that's associated with each property. And now, because they're all in the same bank and the property manager can log in and instantly see all of these, they can pay out of these accounts. They can use bill pay, and each of these has an account with this bank. So all 4 entities have an account with the same bank. Then each of these 3 property associated accounts get linked to the property management account in the banking system. So you log in and then you can see all 3 plus the property management bank account. Right now, we can make ACH payments and debit payments, and you get cash back on debit payments, so plus. But if you have to write a check, you do have to do that externally. You can't do that at this time in Stessa. So by having an external bank, the property management company can pay bills via check or electronic check through this external bank. Okay, anyways, in summary, we have an external bank account that is linked with our property management account. And when the property manager logs in, so link, they log in to their bank and view and manage. And they're able to instantly view and manage all of these so they can pay bills and transfer, this is e-check, pay bills and transfer money between accounts instantly because they're all in the same bank. So all of these bank accounts are with the same bank. Property manager logs in. Because these are linked together, this looks to the other bank accounts. So when it logs in, it can see all of those, pay bills, and transfer money instantly. There's no lag time, and can write e-checks. And at the end of the year, the property management expenses will come out of the property management company. So this is essentially still a dedicated account just for those workings. So I hope this wasn't confusing. Managing properties and having a property management company can be tough, but hopefully this can be helpful. And catch you next time.